In the age of artificial intelligence, even those without any prior knowledge of 3D and animation can effortlessly create their own captivating 3D animation movies.
Hey there, welcome back to my AI tutorial channel. Today, I'll show you how to easily create awesome 3D animations using AI tools. With just a few simple steps, we'll turn any video into a cool 3D animation. Plus, I'll demonstrate how you can create your very own 3D character effortlessly. In just 7 minutes, you'll be able to make your own stunning 3D animation movie. So, let's dive right in. Part 1, Create an account. To get started with the video to 3D animation converter, you'll need to sign up for a Deep Motion AI account. You can find the link in the video description. Just click on the sign up button, and you're good to go. Part 2, Create your 3D characters. Once you've logged into Deep Motion AI, head over to the Animate 3D menu and click Get Started. Now, go to 3D Models and select the Ready Player Me avatar generator. You can either upload your photo to turn it into a 3D avatar or choose the Continue Without Photo option. Then, pick an avatar model. Customize it by adjusting skin color, face shape, eyes, eyebrows, nose, lips, and hair. When everything has been set, click Next button to continue. You can register Ready Player Me or choose Continue Without Sign Up. Enter your character name and click Save. Part 3, Generate your 3D AI animation. From the Deep Motion AI dashboard, go to Animate 3D and click on 3D Models. Choose your newly created 3D avatar character and click Create Animation. Upload the video you want to transform into a 3D animation, like a running video, for example. If needed, you can trim or crop the video using the Trim and Crop option. Once you're done, click Save. Go to the video output setting and enable MP4 option. And choose settings you can copy the same. After set all thing, click Create button to create 3D animation. You can see Deep Motion start generating your 3D animation video. After done processing, click Download button to export your video. Choose MP4 and click Download. Part 4, Create an animated background. Now, let's make an animated background for your video using Canva. Head over to the Canva dashboard and select the video menu. Then, go to Elements and search for Animation in the search bar. Seal all videos and selected your desired animation. I will choose this. Right-click on this and set it as background. After done, click here to download. Part 5, Editing. To combine your 3D video animation with the animated background, you can use a video editor like CapCut or any software. Import your animated background and 3D animation video into the editor. Now add your background and add your 3D character. Now click Cutout and click Auto Cue. Now resize your character and set your track. After complete editing, click Export. Choose your video quality and resolution as you want after click to export. Now, you have your own awesome animation video made with AI. If you want to enhance your background animation, check out this video for some useful tips. You can also use AI tools to add a script and create a voiceover using free text-to-speech. Learn these techniques in another video. Finally, to make your animation movie even more captivating, try adding AI-generated music. Happy animating! Enjoy creating your stunning 3D animation movie with the power of AI. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share to support me. I can't wait to see you in the next thrilling AI tutorial video. Until then, take care, stay inspired, and keep creating. Bye bye.